After many years of trying to dodge the arms deal case, the judge has finally ruled that Jacob Zuma is not allowed to do any appeals anymore. No longer allowed, because even in February, he tried to appeal and they said no. Obviously, he was going to try to appeal again. So Jacob Zuma and Talis are in trouble. They are going to proceed with the arms deal case, so they need to go with the defense and make sure that they are not prosecuted. But since everyone is against Jacob Zuma, yeah, man, the chances of Jacob Zuma actually getting away with this is going to be very hard, but we're gonna have to see. But anyways, here's the judge talking.
Directed that the trial is to proceed irrespective of any interlocutory applications, either by the state or the defense. 2, the parties are directed to approach the registrar for suitable trial dates.
Many people say it's a conspiracy when we say they are after Jacob Zuma. Who is after Jacob Zuma? The government, of course, the ANC, of course, because many of these judges were put in place by the ANC. So when we say that, they say it's a conspiracy, but imagine the arms deal happened in 1999, Y2K, and to this day, more than 27 years. Like, it's almost 30 years and this thing is still going on. Isn't there a statute of limitations when it comes to this kind of cases? I mean, can they drag this kind of thing for so many years? And they are saying or arguing about Jacob Zuma that this whole thing, the arms deal, many witnesses have passed away. So why are they still continuing to go after Jacob Zuma? It doesn't even make sense. So yeah, man, Jacob Zuma needs to defend himself, even though witnesses have passed away. Maybe they're just trying to put pressure on Jacob Zuma. Maybe they don't have much evidence at this point. I mean, do they have evidence after almost 30 years? Making a case. This sounds like, the Senzo Meyiwa trial. It's been going on for many years. This one has been going on for 2 or 3 decades at this point.
But also the interests of the society. A court has an obligation to guarantee public confidence in the judicial authority and administration of justice. This court owes the public a duty to facilitate the expeditious commencement and management of the criminal trial. The prosecution of a crime is a matter of some constitutional importance.
That's why I'm saying that when it comes to this arms deal case, Jacob Zuma won't go to jail. This is just a way to muddy his name, to drag his name under the mud. So it's just a way to put pressure on him. And he's an old man. How old is Jacob Zuma right now? Is he like 87, 85? He's an old man. And just putting him on trial, it's number one, embarrassing.